Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Oh man, we're back to it's not 4K anymore. It's poop cam.
It's actually clear.
Oh man, we got a poop cam.
It's actually clear.
We're back to my poop cam. No. Poop cam? Yeah, it sucks. You see the quality? Look how bad the quality is.
Not 4K anymore.
We gotta get the white albino koi.
Oh my gosh! He started it going like a Titanic.
He's committing suicide. Yeah, it's my boat.
They always make boats and put millipedes in them to post it on YouTube and then they die. Which is a good thing. Don't you remember what they did in 4th grade? Yeah.
Yeah. The last one survives and gets to go back. Ah, you have to build the house. What? The house.
What house thing?
The deal. The last one survives, they go back home.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I forgot to build the house. But we gotta move angles. We gotta move angles.
Move angles to where?
Later on in the video will be guys are blasting them. Guys are blasting them. We will be guys are blasting them.
Wait, make a bomb. Show him.
Wait, the guy, we gotta open it. Binta, you know how to open it? You know how to open it?
I open my gun.
Anyone know how to launch the atomic bomb?
Why are the rocks coming? Can I throw it? No. You can throw it on the boat.
Hey, actually. Oh! Oh, God! The battle!
The paddle is a hoverboard now. The paddle is a hoverboard.
Hoverboard, Rick and Morty. Ah! Heard it! Keyword censor what I said earlier. Stop swearing! Put captions because that was
Why are they on the sides?
what are these idiots doing?
It's literally Titanic. What? Get up, open it. I just tightened it. Titanic.
Oh, I have scissors in here. I have scissors. Where did my tweezers go? Over there. Scissors. Make sure it does not blow up with us, okay? But God, we don't need the gun.
Oh my god, it's flooding inside. Hey, make it go closer.
Closer.
Wait.
Good way to create
Magnifying. If you can. It is magnifying. Their boat is getting flooded, which is a good thing. Oh, it's flooding.
Oh God, this is flooding.
Dude, back here. How do you make it?
Don't ask. I found it. It's so bright. I gotta find a place with barely any shade.
Let me break a giant pencil. Why are they on the side?
It's super saturated. Why did you give her that idea? Oh no.
I'm Mega Mind.
He's Megamind? It's Temperance. But we gotta move angles now.
It is like Temperance.
We gotta move angles. You gotta move angles. Oh God!
Oh my gosh!
Chip.
Flip it over. Oh, wait, it's never surviving!
What's surviving? He's climbing!
Don't survive! No!
I put rocks on the boat.
Everyone survived!
Everyone's surviving! Climbing! No wonder it's falling. Wait a minute, when they go to the waterfall? The waterfall is really gonna die. They're gonna die though.
Wow, there's hope. Wow, there's hope.
Wait, they're all surviving. They're all climbing up. Stop.
Hey, stop. Hi, boys. Now.
Wait, too far. The waterfall. The waterfall. Wait, we gotta watch Napoleon meme.
Oh no.
Don't run this street. Okay, we're not gonna sing this one. Yes.
Oh!
You guys are blasting them earlier and survive. Don't mess it up. Don't mess it up. No.
What happened to the paddle?
It's gone. Yeah, where did it go?
Micah. Micah.
Wait, you got another millipede? Come over here. David's actually being useful on like last video. The last 2 videos.
Yeah, what is that doing?
Hey, this is a family-friendly channel, except when I said the S word in French earlier.
I think one of them died because they're fighting. Oh,
They're battling each other.
it's Titanic. That one is bigger than the others, right?
It's a Titanic scene. Now you're blocking the angles.
That one is bigger than the others.
Guys, can you move back your heads?
Your head is literally blocking the...
Hey, what are they doing?
Triple. Stop it.
Stop. They're gonna climb under.
It's going to the waterfall. Yeah.
Your heads are blocking the camera.
Your hands.
Your guys' heads are blocking my camera. Yo, what are you doing?
No.
Huh?
No. Oh my God.
It's on his channel.
Oh.
We'll ask him later. Keep Coco 9900. That's the channel.
Oh my. Yeah, they are good.
Go.
We have 7 minutes long. Kita lihat dari Google.
We have 7 minutes long.
Like that. Hey, look, there's a big...
Tactical nuke incoming!
They survived!
Where's your pond?
That's literally...
That's littering.
What is it? It's not! Ew! Air dari mana? Hey, Switch spot! It's going over there.
Alright, switching location.
Bintang.
Okay, Mar, you forgot documentation, boys.
Documentation. This is National Geographic. This is a millipede and it's on a wooden boat. Ada yang satu mati kayaknya. It's because of the stupid kid. What stupid kid? It's because of the stupid kid.
Hey, don't touch my stuff.
Oh.
God damn it, the kid put the freaking sauce packet.
Hey, it's time for adoption.
No. Damn you. Guys, yeah, this guy. Yeah, he did the middle finger to me.
What is this?
Hey, you can do it again. So you can see this guy. Becca, I don't care about children.
We don't care.
We do not care.
We do not care.
Should we just leave the boat?
Well,
Hey, this kid did the middle finger. This guy. Him. That's it. That's all right.